the most important thing that I want to say today about the decision is this. The Supreme Court decided to give absolute immunity to Donald Trump, and then wrote the opinion to justify it. How do we know it? This is how we know it. Donald Trump has been charged with the gravest crimes possible against the United States of America. Those charges and those allegations were the only issue before this Supreme Court. That's all the court was required to decide. And by the way, for almost 250 years, that's the only issue that any Supreme Court in history would have decided. What did this Supreme Court do? It decided the issue of presidential immunity for all times, in all contexts, Michael, possible under the Constitution. It is the precise opposite of what any court of the United States, and especially the Supreme Court of the United States, ever does. Now, why do they do it? There's only one possible explanation. They had to decide that that Donald Trump had absolute immunity because he's alleged to have committed the gravest crimes against America. So if they were going to hold that he was immune, they had to adopt his argument that he was absolutely immune from even the gravest crimes that a president could commit against the United States of America. The court had no choice. If it were going to hold that Donald Trump was immune from prosecution for the grave offenses that he committed. This is a classic case where the Supreme Court decided what it wanted to decide and then went in search of the constitutional reasoning that would support that decision. Unfortunately for America, there was no constitutional reasoning. None based in the Constitution, the court's precedents, history, anything, anywhere to support that decision that they made before this argument ever took place.